Today, I'm going to show how I dismount and mount ATV tires right here in my garage without any fancy tools or machines. Disclaimer here, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Don't be cheap like me and play with fire. Take your tires to a real shop instead. Or use a high lift and trailer hitch. I could take these to a tire shop to have them dismounted, but what's the fun in that? I'm doing this entire project in my garage from start to finish. Next, I cleaned, cured the rust, primed, painted, and clear coated the wheels. I made a full video of that process. Link is in the description. Alright, I let the paint cure for 24 hours. Now it's time to mount these new tires. But first, I need to install new valve stems. They make a special tool to install these. I don't have it, but I do have these old Craftsman Robo Grips. They have these covers on the teeth, so whatever I'm holding won't get chewed up. Give her some soapy water. Don't use anything oil-based. It degrades the rubber. The only tool I really need for this is a big flathead screwdriver. This old Snap-on has a smooth round shaft, not a square one like Craftsman flatheads. A piece of cardboard or old carpet is nice to work on too. Spray some soapy water on the bead of the tire and the edge of the rim. And there it is. I have some air ready to go, and I'm out of starting fluid, so this will have to do. Well ventilated area, folks. Don't want to breathe these fumes. That'll be plenty. Make a trail. Tap the sidewall. Give it a minute and air it up. Alright, it held pressure. Done. Now let's do this one in slow motion. These are good to go, back on the Yamaha. Do me a favor and hit that thumbs up if you found this helpful or entertaining, because don't try this at home. Thanks for watching.